This video illustrates the repair of a 2-inch elbow, accomplished with a medium stop-it kit made up of a 1-inch segment of fixed sticks and a 2-inch by 12-foot roll of composite tape. First, fully mix the fixed sticks epoxy and roll it into a thin rope approximately 7 inches long. Apply the material around the joint of the pipe and elbow, pressing it firmly into the edge of the fitting. It is important to apply the epoxy around the entire circumference, as leaks can easily travel around the joint. Next, prepare the composite wrap by immersing the roll in water for about 5 seconds, while firmly squeezing the roll 3 times. Working quickly, begin the wrap on the pipe immediately next to the applied epoxy. Apply several circumferential wraps before beginning to spiral the tape over the fixed sticks and fitting edge up onto the elbow. Continue to apply several wraps around the body of the elbow, noting that some excess of tape will build up near the small radius of the fitting. Spiral the tape back towards the edge of the fitting and the location of the leak. Pause the wrapping procedure to twist the composite tape several times to create a rope-like segment about 8 inches long. Wrap this segment firmly into the step created between the pipe and the fitting, working to create greater pressure and further compress the epoxy into the leak site. Complete the application by applying the remaining tape across the area previously wrapped to achieve a uniform number of plies across the region. Once wrapped, re-wet your gloves and begin to compress the expanding resin back into the repair wrap, focusing the compression into the step formed between the pipe and elbow fitting. Continue polishing the resin until it is no longer sticky and the resin can no longer be compressed. Keep your hands moving and re-wet your gloves as often as necessary to keep the resin from sticking. The hardening of the resin and the absence of bubbles when water is applied indicate that the resin is set and the installation is complete.